Hi, do you want to know the high VIZ tips for super successful video marketing from Meesa? Let's jump in. Always center your video around the story, not the sale. Make your video feature on the best 10 seconds ever. So use humor in your video. Video tags are very important. Optimize your video for SEO. Yes, educate your customers with video and prove yourself. So always remember to focus on stories, not sales. One of the best ways to grab attention is with a hook at the start of your video. Upload an interesting thumbnail for the video always and include call to actions like subscribe to our channel, follow or like our page. Share this with your friends. Comment on the video. Check out the new content too from your video marketing coach Meesa. Thank you.